Okay guys, I just got the funniest thing ever. This cat climbed up this. She's doing it too. The spider cats, they're climbing everywhere. This one's keep eating. Look at them though. What? And this one's trying to jump to grab her tail. You can't really see her that much. So look what they're trying to climb. She's climbing down now. But this is the funniest thing ever, though. Just look at them trying to climb it up, though. I'm trying to get them to do. What are you guys doing? Huh? Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Bella. Come on, baby. Bella. Look at them trying to get up there, though. Burp. Burp. Be careful, you guys. Look at them. These are crazy cats. They're not psychopathic cats, though. Crazy cats. This one right here is like a vampire. She has the sharpest teeth, though. Bella, what is she doing? Oh, now they're playing with the ball. I don't know. Can you still trying to climb up that thing? He's into my bed. What are you doing? Yeah, crawl up my pants leg. You're so cute. Crazy cats. Crazy kid. Oh my gosh! Look at her. No, Bella. I mean, not Bella. This is Duchess. She's got a little poke down. See her little paws coming down. How'd you get there, baby? She's stuck in. Oh. I don't know. You stuck? Nope, she's not stuck. She's fine. These two we're gonna go after. And this baby, I don't know. He's running. He's not eating. There's Prim. Just eating. Sorry. Here's Lucky. Lucky. This is about a cat around It's outside, though I don't know why I showed you that. This is the craziest thing ever, though. Look at them. It's gonna crawl up this thing and have fun. I have to go film this again. Oh my goodness. This is just hilarious. Look how cute she is, though. Why did you flop over? Huh, kitty? I'm trying to get the tail. They're been chasing after each other's tail, though. It's funny.